with everyone. So I was asked to make a 1 minute video to explain the issues on my dataset. Firstly, I have a blank space. That's one issue I noticed at the first glance. I have a blank space on my column A on the property and also on email, and I don't know about other column, so I have to glance through. Okay, then I have inconsistency on the text format. Then on my column C, I have my state, my city, and also my address in one column, which I need to split it. Okay, and at my dates format, you can see I have to convert it to a date time series. Then, and you can see very well we have Jane here while we are having Chris here. We have Bob here where we're having Henry here. We have Alice here when we're having Jane here. So this is totally a data entering error. Thank you.